Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Let's fill my bullet journal for Feb 26, 2024. For my health log, I was feeling well yesterday, Alhamdulillah. And for my rate my day, I'm going to give it a 5 star. For the anxiety tracker, I had no anxiety. And for the dream tracker, I saw a neutral dream yesterday. For the weather tracker, it was sunny outside. And for the stress log, I had no stress, Alhamdulillah. For the sleep tracker, I sleep between 8 to 10 hours. And for my rate my sleep, I'm going to give it a 5 star. For the reading checker, I read more than 40 pages, and for the reading checker shelf, it's going to be empty. For the years in pixels, it was a happy day yesterday. I watched CJ's 7 movie, which I'm going to give it a 3 star as it was weird but funny and a good one too. For the 1000 hours outside, I remain 1 to 2 or outside. And for the water tracker, I drink round about 8 glass of water, and for the day spent, it was both indoor and outdoor. For the meal tracker, I had a home food, and for the namaz tracker, I say 4 times salah. For the spiritual log, I said all, and for the painting tracker, it was not a dedicated day. For the walk tracker, I walk 45 minutes to 60 minutes, and for the book tracker, I haven't started to write any book yet. For the YouTube tracker, I posted a video on YouTube. For the Instagram tracker, I haven't posted any posts on Instagram, and for the TikTok tracker, I posted a video on TikTok too. That's it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.